So today we're going to do an oil change on my Mark 5 GTI. We first start by checking out the car and putting on the gasket. Then we'll remove the belly pan. There are some T25 screws underneath, all around, so we can have access to the oil filter and the oil drain plug. Next we'll start by unplugging the drain plug. It's a 19 mil. Now that's completely drained, we can reinstall the drain plug. I'd replace the washer, but already did the last oil change. You only want it just snug. Now for the oil filter. First we need to remove the housing. You just need to push it in just for the oil that's beside the filter housing to drain. So you can remove the oil filter housing without making a ton of mess. Just push it in the side. Let all the oil drain from the housing. Now to reinstall the oil and tighten it up at 36 mil. Now it's the time to do everything in the reverse order. We'll reinstall the belly pan and lower the car. Now it's time to pour in the oil. The car takes about 4.5 liters to fill. Now I poured in some oil and we'll turn on the car just to get the oil flowing and check leaks.